Hello students, today I am going to teach you the chapter continuity. See the definition first. A function fx is said to be a continuous function at x equal to a where a is a real number. If LHL equal to RHL equal to FA, LHL means left hand limit, means limit x tends to a minus fx equal to RHL means right hand limit, limit x tends to a plus fx equal to FA means the values of fx at x equal to a. Now x tends to a minus means the values of x approaches to a from the left hand side or from the negative side of a. That means indirectly it is given x less than a. X tends to a plus means the values of x approaches to a from the positive side or from the right side of a. That means indirectly it is given x greater than a. As for example, x tends to 2 minus means x less than 2. X tends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. This is the graph. Now see the question 1. Show that the function fx where fx is given is continuous at x equal to 2. That is the question. So first you have to find LHL. LHL means limit x tends to 2 minus fx. X tends to 2 minus means x less than 2. For x less than 2 the function was given. So that is 2x square minus x. So now put x equal to 2 because no simplification is needed here. So x tends to 2 minus or x tends to 2 plus, but ultimately you have to put x equal to 2. Got it? So after simplification LHL is equal to 6. Similarly RHL means limit x tends to 2 plus fx. X tends to 2 plus means x greater than 2. For x greater than 2 function was given. So after simplification 6. Now f2. f2 means the values of fx at x equal to 2. It was given, put the value, ultimately 6. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f2. So you can say fx is continuous at x equal to 2. Understood? Now see the example 2. Discuss the continuity of the function. Function is given at x equal to 0. Acha, for x tends to 0 plus or for x tends to 0 minus, in both the cases x not equal to 0. Either x greater than 0 or x less than 0. So that means x not equal to 0. So in this sum, for LHL and RHL, for x left hand limit or for right hand limit, you have to use this function. Got it? Now limit x tends to 0 minus fx means x less than 0 means x not equal to 0 means function was given. Substitute the value. Now this is the form of 0 by 0. That means you have to apply L'Hospital. Differentiation of numerator by differentiation of denominator. So after simplification again the form is 0 by 0. So after simplification see the calculation 2 has come. Similarly RHL, since LHL and RHL are the same functions, so RHL equal to same 2. But f0 means the values of fx at x equal to 0, it was given 5. So f0 equal to 5. So that means LHL equal to RHL but not equal to f0. So that means fx is not continuous, or you can say discontinuous at x equal to 0. Now I have shown two sums. Now this is the application of two sums. Okay. The worksheet, you have to check the continuity of the following functions. This is the application of the sums which I have shown. Understood? So in next class I will show different type of sums from the chapter continuity with the worksheet. For the time being your job is to complete this worksheet which I have given on the basis of the sums which I have shown. Understood? Thank you.